Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're stopping by for the very first time, hi, I am Formosa Fantasy, and on my channel I do hair, makeup, and a little bit of vlogs every now and then. For today's video, I'll be giving you a back to school makeup. For if you're overseas, then this is like for high school and college students, you know. But if you're here in Jamaica, high schoolers cannot wear makeup. So yeah, but so this would be for like the college students or maybe even work. I don't know how this is, but it's basically for school students. So let's just get right into the video.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up.
So starting off with skin, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face because it's already moisturized. Yes, so I'm just working that in all over my face with my hands. You don't have to use this primer, you can opt for a different one, but I just reach for this one because it's like drugstore based. All right, now I'm taking my Rimmel Stay, and because I have like oily areas in my T-zone, I'm just putting this like right there on my cheek area, a little bit on my nose, and yeah. All right, so I'm going in with my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. Yeah, that's the color, and I'm just like putting it in the highest points that I would want. I didn't put a foundation on because I just wanted to like use less product. All right, so I'm gonna be like, you're gonna be in school all day, you don't want to be like that oily and stuff like that, even though I can rock it with foundation, and you know, yeah. So I'm taking those two foundations, Revlon 400 and Muse Cosmetics Enrich, yeah. So I'm used the two of them because one has my undertone and one is my complexion. So when I mix the both of them, I get the perfect shade. You don't have to do that. You can reach for anything. As I said, it's drugstore. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Be careful of my baby hairs, and I'm just putting that everywhere that the concealer is not. All right. So now that the concealer has dried down a little bit, I'm using my Damp Beauty blender, and I'm just working that into the skin. Be sure to pounce it, not swiping. And I'm also putting this on my eyelids because we're not using no base today, so the concealer would act as our base. All right, and as you can see, I did that thing so that I could get that lift. All right, so you see, I get a lift. So I'm just blending it out on my chin, my cupid's bow, my forehead, my nose, like everywhere. And then, as I said, I'm putting this on my eyes as well. Okay. Blending is key, so just take your time when doing this. See, I got a little bit tired. Just take your time when doing this. I know it's school time and you have time is against you, yada yada yada, but trust me, you'll love it in the end. All right, yeah. If you see me looking across, I was watching something on my laptop. Yeah, so I'm going in with my elf high definition, and right here I had a boo-boo. All right, I had a boo-boo. I turned it out to knock some out, and the entire thing went on my table. Listen, I was so upset, but it is what it is. So using the butt of my my damp sponge, I'm just taking the powder, loose powder that fell, and I'm just putting that everywhere that there was no concealer. Normally I set the highlighted portions, but I don't know why I did it this way, but yeah, I did. So now I'm taking another HD elf setting powder, and this one is in translucent. It's just a white powder, and I'm just putting it that everywhere that I did not put that powder. right? The first powder. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, as I said, I made a boo boo, and my table was a mess. Like, I could not even take up everything. So I just left it. I was so upset, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, this brush, I know that I always use it for my blush, but yeah, I just opt for that. So now I'm just taking that, and that complexion powder, and I realized that I never liked how it contoured, so I kept doing it just the same. Now reaching for my another LA colors, and I'm taking that. Um, it's I'm bronzing, okay. I'm not really contouring. I'm just bringing back some color into my skin. So I opt for that brownish looking one in the palette. All right, I got this from the pharmacy, so yeah, you can use anything that you have. All right, I just wanted some warmth back into my skin, and I'm using a fluffy brush. Now I'm going in with the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm just doing some reverse contouring, and I'm just putting some everywhere because I'm going to do eyeshadow in a minute. All right, so whatever fallout that's going to come, that's going to act as a catch powder, even though I'm not really baking, if you know what I mean. So taking this elf quad small compact, and I'm like right here, I realized I did not do my eyebrows. Like, y'all could have reminded me. Y'all could have reminded me. You could have said, hey, you didn't do your eyebrows. So because my eyebrows are already groomed and everything like that, so it's easy for me to draw them on. So I'm just using I think this is ankle pencil. As said, I got this from the drugstore as well. Just any brown pencil that you have, and I'm just creating my lines, filling them in. But I'm using a light hand because I don't want it to be too dark or too defined. Because listen, we're going to school, all right? So as you can see, I did all that, and I'm gonna take my spoolie and I'm going to brush the front out, and then because it's kind of waxy, I'm going to brush my brow hairs in direction I want them to go. So you see, I'm doing that right here. All right, and then you can see that everything is well groomed. Yeah. So taking the brown shade again from the palette, it has some little shimmer sparkles in it, but it's fine. Like, it's not too overpowering or anything like that. So I'm just putting that in my transition area. I was going to put that everywhere, but I'm like, you know what, let me just do my little something. All right, so yeah. So I put this in my transition area with a fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. Yeah. So I'm just using my fingers, and I'm going in that pink shade, and I'm just putting that everywhere on my lid. All right, as you can see, on my lid. And I like the color payoff and stuff like that. So yeah. And then I'm going back in with that brush. I didn't put no product on it, just whatever that was left, because we wanted that seamless blend. All right, no harsh lines. Taking this blush, listen, I don't remember which um, package I got this in. I don't remember, but I think it said elf on it. I don't remember. Listen, don't come for me. All right, I just needed some blush, so blush it is. So yeah, I'm just putting that there, and I'm then using my LA colors, LA girl, LA girl. I think it's LA color. I think it's LA girl setting spray. And I spray my face, and then I'm going in with my beauty blender again, the damp one, and I am just patting everything in, and I am going everywhere. My eyes, my eyebrows, my face, everywhere. I'm gonna pat out. All right, cool. So I wanted some more color, so I use the middle shade, and I just putting some more color because I needed some more color payoff with the blush. All right, so now for my lips, I'm going in. Oh no, I'm patting it out again. Yeah, seamless blend. So, oh, mascara. So, good. I'm going ahead of myself. Girl, what's wrong with you? So, I'm taking this mascara from Maybelline and I am just coating my lashes. I did 2 coats of this. I didn't need no lashes. Listen, we see when you coat your lashes with this, trust me, no more. He said no lashes, all right? So, I'm taking a gel liner. I do not know the name of it. Gel liner. Yeah. Put this in my waterline because, I have rainy eyes. So, yeah, I didn't want anything to, yeah. So now we got to, do the imperfections and turn them into moles and stuff like that. So, after I did my beauty spot, I went in with on my some bumps that I have. Yeah, and I did that with it, turn into moles, pat it out. Yeah, seamless. So, Wet n Wild lip gloss, and I'm just, yeah, didn't have to line my lips, and I have nice, luscious, juicy lips. Mwah! This is the finished look. Listen, I left it in real time for you to show you that this did not take me a minute to put on, and I didn't speed it up, nothing. I just left it alone. So it is school friendly, teacher friendly, anything friendly. Like, just want to go out the street. Yes, it is. So this is a back to school makeup. And as you can see, the hair is giving easy hairstyle too. Yeah, where did I go? So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. And until next time, bye beauties.